Hello, my young friends. Welcome back to GuruCoool. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about exterior angle property of triangle. I hope you will enjoy learning with me. This tutorial is especially for those who are in grade 7, class 7, okay? But those who are interested to learn it earlier than class 7 can also learn it, or those who have missed it in class 7 can also learn this. Let us see. Exterior angle property of triangle. What does this property say? Before understanding this property, let us understand what is exterior angle. First, we will understand what is exterior angle of a triangle. Then we will see what is exterior angle property of a triangle. Whenever you draw a triangle, you draw three intersecting lines with each other. This line, and this line. Actually, line segments. They are intersecting with each other and they are forming a triangle. This is called interior angle. This is an interior angle. This is also an interior angle. So what is interior angle? Interior angle, an angle between any two sides of a triangle. In any triangle, you have to choose any two sides and see where they are meeting. The space between those two sides is the angle, like this side and this side. They are meeting at this point, so the space between them is called interior angle. This is inside the triangle. Every interior angle remains inside the triangle. Now let us understand what is exterior angle. Exterior angle, an angle between a side and an extended side of a triangle. What is extended side? Extended, also known as produced side. Let us consider any one side and let us extend it, produce it. So I'm going to consider this side. I'm going to extend it this way. Just extend it in the same path. Once again, well, here. So now you can see this line is a side of the triangle and this one is not a side of the triangle but extended part of the side, right? This is a side, but this is the extended part of the side. So the angle here between the extended part and the side is known as exterior angle. This is exterior angle. Exterior angle. Well, so here we learned what is an interior angle and what is an exterior angle. Now the question is, how many such exterior angles exist in a triangle? Let us see that in the next page. Consider this triangle. In this triangle, we can extend each side in one direction. We can extend each side in one direction. What I mean, consider this is a side, consider this side. We can extend it either that way or this way. So you can extend it like this or like this, not both. This is not allowed. You have to consider any one direction to extend a side. So I'm considering this direction for now. Well, if I have considered this direction to extend this side, then I will consider this side to extend in this direction. Actually, it's wrong. Sorry, it's wrong. We cannot extend this side to this direction. How to know that? You can remember this way. Since two sides are getting extended and crossing each other, that should not happen. So avoid this, and what you can do is this side can be extended to this direction. Now they are not intersecting each other, right? Extended parts should not be together, intersecting. So this side is extended in this direction. This side is extended in this direction. Now guess which direction we can extend this side. This side or this side. Can you choose? Take your time. The correct answer is this direction. This one is the wrong choice. As I told, you cannot extend two sides in a direction where they are together, where they are cutting each other, right? So this choice is wrong. I'm going to extend it again, this direction. So did you notice here I have extended all three sides of the triangle and I got three exterior angles. First exterior angle here, second here, and third one here. I'm not talking about interior angles. I'm talking about exterior angles. So these three angles are exterior angles. So how many maximum exterior angles you can draw at once? 3. Now you might be thinking, what if we would have chosen the other direction of each side? Let us that figure 2. Now let us consider this triangle. Previously we chose this side and extended it to the left side. This time let us take this side and extend it to the right side. I'm extended it to right direction. Okay, now you can see here is an exterior angle formed. This side can be extended then to this direction, not this direction, and this side can be extended to this direction, not that. So here also we have got 3 exterior angles, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so I have explained how we can draw, how we can identify exterior angles. Many students remain confused about number of exterior angles in a triangle. If you do this way, if you extend each side in both directions, what will happen? See, this side will be extended to this direction and this direction. This side will be extended to this direction and this direction. And this side will be extended to this direction and this direction. This is a completely wrong practice, but I'm showing you just to give you a reference where many students get it wrong. And they count total 6 exterior angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They count total 6 exterior angles. That is the wrong practice. You should not extend any side to both directions. You have to choose only one direction. Okay, now let's go to the next page and understand more about exterior angle property. I have again taken a triangle. and I'm going to choose any one side, and then I will extend it to. I'm choosing this side. I'm going to extend it towards the right. This is the right side for me. And here I have created an exterior angle. Exterior angle. So notice that for this exterior angle, here is an interior also, right? Just beside it, here is an interior angle. So what we need to do is, if we consider the other two interior angles and not just adjacent one, this is the neighboring angle, adjacent angle, we don't have to consider this one. Let us consider these two. These two interior angles are known as alternate angles. Okay, opposite interior angles, sorry, opposite, not alternate. This angle and this angle are known as opposite. Why opposite? Because not adjacent. Not adjacent means opposite. So opposite interior angles. Okay, this is exterior angle, and these two are opposite interior angles. So now the time is to understand exterior angle property. What does the property say? Here is the statement. It says that exterior angle of a triangle is equal. This is equal to what? Equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. And exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, so this angle is equal to the sum of these two opposite interior angles. Let us call this one as angle A, this one as angle B, and this one as angle C. So what we can see is, what we can say here is, angle A is equal to angle B plus angle C. Okay, I hope you understood exterior angle property. Now you might be thinking, what is the proof? How does this happen? What is the logic behind it? Right? Let us understand the logic. We all know that, we have seen in the previous video lesson that all three angles sum up to 180 degree in a triangle, right? Let us consider this angle to be angle D. So we understand already in our previous video lesson, we have seen this. If you have not watched that video, please watch that. Okay, please watch the previous video. I'll show you in the I button here. So we already know that angle B plus angle C plus angle D, these three angles of the triangle will make 180 degrees. That is according to angle sum property of a triangle, right? And we also know that angle A and angle D are on a straight line, standing on a straight line. So they are together making a straight angle. Angle A plus angle D are also making 180 degrees. So what is important here? 180 degrees and 180 degrees. In these two equations, right hand sides are same. That means their left hand sides should also be equal. Let us compare them. Let us equate them together. Angle B plus angle C plus angle D. These three are making 180 degrees. And angle A and angle D are also making 180 degrees. So they must be equal. Once we have set an equation like this, we notice that there is a common term both sides that can be eliminated. If we eliminate angle D from both sides, what remains? Remaining is angle B plus angle C on the left and angle A on the right. So what we notice, angle A equals angle B plus angle C, right? So you have to understand, and you have to remember this. Any exterior angle always remains equal to opposite interior angles. Notice that opposite interior means B and C, not D. You don't have to take adjacent one. I hope you understood it. Now I'll show you an activity in which you will see in practical. Watch this activity and let's meet after the activity. So we are going to see here the activity on exterior angle property of triangle. Here is a line. I'm going to draw a triangle. Done. Now you can see here, this is the exterior angle and the two opposite interior angles are these. What we are going to prove is exterior angle, this one, is equal to what? The sum of two interior opposite or opposite interior angles. If we add this angle and this angle, the sum will be equal to this angle. And we will see the activity. We will prove it through an activity. I already have taken a sheet and have drawn the triangle on it. So what I'm going to do is I will cut this triangle here and I will cut these two corners, this angle and this angle. I will cut it with the help of scissor and I will put it here in this space. I will see if these two together can cover this space. Okay, this is exterior angle. So let us cut it with the help of a scissor. I have cut it. So now I will cut these two corners and will put it here in this space to cover it. This corner cut, this corner also cut. Here is the exterior angle, this one, and I will place the two interior opposite angles. First one is placed here and the second one will fit here. Yes, exactly. So what we saw here, I have cut one corner from this space, that was the opposite interior angle, and the another one from here. So these two opposite interior angles are together covering the exterior angle completely. So it is proved that the sum of these two interior opposite angles is equal to the exterior angle. That's done. Thank you. Next is to understand how we can use exterior angle property to solve a question. What kind of questions may be there? I'll show you some examples. Here I have taken two example questions. You can see a triangle EFG and one of the sides EG has been extended in this direction. As I told you, you have to extend only one direction. So EG has been direction towards that direction till point T. Notice here is an exterior angle. This is adjacent angle that we don't have to consider. These two angles are opposite interior angles for this exterior angle. According to exterior angle property, this angle should be equal to what? The sum of this and this, right? So X must be equal to 28 degrees plus 58 degrees. So what is x equal to? Just add and get the answer. 8 plus 8, 16. We wrote 6 here, 1 carried. 5 plus 2, 7 and 1. That was carried, 86 degrees. And that's the answer. So this angle is 86 degrees. Just add these two and whatever is the sum is the value of that angle. Here we have another example. In this example, the triangle is STU, and you can notice that one side US has been extended in this direction, in one direction. So here is an exterior angle, and the value of exterior angle is already known to us. We don't have to find it. 110 degrees. And notice one of the opposite interior angle is missing this time. X is one of the opposite interior angles, but we don't have to change the way. Question is different from this one. This question is different from this one, but our method is not going to change. We will behave in the same manner. And what is that? Exterior angle is equal to the sum of what? Sum of opposite interior angles. So 80 degrees plus x. We behaved in the same manner and we got an equation. Let us solve it to get the value of x. X is equal to 110 degrees minus, this will transpose to left side, it will become negative. 110 degrees minus 80 degrees. So what's x equal to? 30 degrees. 110 minus 80 is 30 degrees. And this way we got that missing angle. This angle is 30 degrees. That's the answer. So this kind of questions can be raised in your exam. Be efficient. If you think you understood it, you can try more questions. Whatever you think about this video lesson, could you understand? If not, please comment. What was confusing to you? What is the thing that is not clear to you? What do you feel? Even if you understood, give some positive comment. If you didn't understand, give some negative comment as well. All the comments are welcomed, but please give some comment. Give your feedback. And I have these 4 questions for you as your practice. Practice these 4 questions and be more confident. Question is, in each of the following, find the value of x. You can see x, 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 x. In each of the figures, one angle is named as x, and that is actually the missing angle you have to calculate. Okay, you can use exterior angle property for that. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. Thank you very much.